What's happening, fellow model builders, glue sniffers, and paint huffers? Yes, it's me again. Decided to bring the Plymouth back out. I can see things I've already had to pull off and change and stuff like that. Must have been whacked out, man. Took too many pills that day. It just didn't work out, man. So, original color I chose wasn't going to work with the interior that I did, and I don't know if you all remember what it looks like, but I'll show you guys here in a minute. Got a couple of orders that I'm trying to get done too for my pre-wired Excel distributor. Comes with the wire, the coil, everything else, but I'll tell you guys that in a minute. So if you guys are ready to do this, sit down, hold on, and we're going to hit it. Alright, so here's my mess. Here's the Plymouth. So, if you guys don't remember, tuck and roll interior, all out of foam. Photo etched, our 3D printed shifter, made aluminum. But yeah, this is the one, if you guys remember. So I looked, and my wiring and everything was all disgusting. I didn't really like what I did, so I pulled it all off. I did the fuel line though with our 90-degree fuel fittings, but that's that. So the original color I chose, I was gonna do, is not gonna work because of what I did with the interior. So I redid it, and I'm pretty stoked. I like the color. So this is the new color of the body. That is MPC, formerly known as Outlaw Paints, Red Velvet. I love it. Put it in the dehydrator. It's got their 2K clear on it already. You won't get a better shine than Outlaw's 2K clear, guaranteed. I'm telling you now, I've used them. None of them compare. I mean, it's not Outlaw, I know it's MPC. I gotta do a little wet sanding. But that is the new color. I'm digging it. I like it. Still doing the body work on the hood, and yeah, I know something's showing in the way. Freaking cameras, man. There we go. So yeah, I'm still doing the hood. I'm just going clean. So yeah, our Excel distributor kits that I sell, I hand drill every one of these that I do, because I want them. I don't care how they're printed or anything, unless you design it all the way down. The wire, it's got to go down. The ones that they have don't really work, so I drill them out. Same with the coils that I have. I hand drill those so you guys can put them in there and stuff like that. So that's where I'm at. Just figured I'd give you a quick update. Go to the website. I'll get more paints listed on there from MPC. I've got Outlaw on there now, which it's still MPC. That's the colors I have in stock. I don't think I have the Red Velvet in stock, but it can be ordered. So there's colors you guys want, just let me know. I'm going to try to get more listed. I need to come in here and work on this for a while, get my sanity back. So I appreciate all you guys, man. Please sub, give us a thumbs up. Something you want to see, like I said, put it down in the comments. I'm an asshole or whatever. It is what it is. So I thank you guys. Thanks for watching.